Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable charcoal grills that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Joyfair Portable Charcoal Grill. This grill is a compact, user-friendly option perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who value portability and precision. Its innovative cylindrical design makes it easy to carry, and assembly is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes with the included screwdriver and manual. Built for durability, this grill features extra thick steel and powder coating to withstand high temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit while resisting rust, peeling, and cracking. The Joyfair grill excels at heat control thanks to its built-in thermometer and adjustable side vents. These features allow you to monitor and manage the internal temperature without opening the lid, ensuring your food cooks evenly and retains its juiciness. With a cooking area of 13.5 inches by 8.8 inches, it's ideal for small gatherings, accommodating up to 3 people. The stainless steel grill rack is non-stick, easy to clean, and sturdy enough to handle heavier foods. While its compact size is great for portability, it might feel restrictive for those looking to cook for larger groups. Additionally, its 7.93-pound weight is heavier than some other portable options. However, its solid construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for anyone who prioritizes durability and precision. This is a great pick for campers and backyard chefs seeking a small-scale, efficient grill. Coming in at number 4 is the Mason High Adjustable Portable Charcoal Grill, which is as stylish as it is functional. With its vibrant green finish and compact dimensions, this grill is a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts. It boasts a 14 by 10-inch cooking surface, which can handle up to 6 burgers or various other delicious options, making it perfect for small to medium-sized groups. One of the standout features is its precise cooking capability, enabled by an integrated lid thermometer and adjustable air vents. These features allow you to control the heat effectively and achieve that smoky flavor barbecue lovers crave. The grill's lightweight design, just 2 pounds, makes it incredibly portable, and it's built with durable iron that resists rust and high heat. The grill rack is removable for easy cleaning, and the entire unit is easy to assemble. On the downside, the lightweight build may feel less durable compared to heavier models, and its smaller cooking area might not be sufficient for larger gatherings. However, its portability, ease of use, and unique design make it an excellent choice for picnics, beach outings, or balcony barbecues. If you're looking for a compact grill that adds style and functionality to your outdoor cooking experience, the Mason High is a strong contender. Taking the 3rd spot is the budget-friendly Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill. Priced at just $18.99, this grill is an excellent option for those looking for affordability without sacrificing functionality. It offers a 150-square-inch cooking surface, which is spacious enough for small meals while remaining compact and portable. Its standout feature is the 3-point locking lid, which traps heat effectively. Mimicking the performance of a smoker, the dual ventilation system ensures consistent airflow, which is crucial for maintaining the perfect cooking temperature. Additionally, this grill's lightweight design, just 4 pounds, makes it easy to transport. The built-in ash catcher is a thoughtful touch, keeping your grilling area clean and mess-free. The powder-coated finish offers some resistance to wear and tear, though it may not last as long as higher-end models. While it's an excellent value for the price, the Gas One grill does have some limitations. The smaller cooking surface might feel restrictive for larger meals, and its lightweight build may not be as durable as heavier models. However, for casual grilling sessions at the park, beach, or backyard, this grill delivers solid performance at an unbeatable price point. Our runner-up is the Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill, an 18-inch powerhouse that combines portability with premium performance. With a 240-square-inch cooking area and a porcelain enamel bowl and lid, this grill is built to last. The plated steel cooking grate offers excellent heat retention, making it ideal for searing steaks or cooking for medium-sized groups. The Weber Jumbo Joe features rust-resistant aluminum dampers and a tuck-and-carry lid lock, which doubles as a lid holder when cooking. This thoughtful design makes the grill easy to transport and ensures safer handling. Weighing just over 17 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and durability. The one-touch cleaning system is a standout feature, making ash removal quick and hassle-free. While the Jumbo Joe is more expensive than some other models, its high-quality construction and reliable performance justify the price. It's perfect for anyone who wants a portable grill that doesn't compromise on cooking space or build quality. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or hosting a small backyard barbecue, the Weber Jumbo Joe delivers consistent results every time. Finally, at number 1, we have the Royal Gourmet CD1519 Portable Charcoal Grill. This premium option combines functionality, durability, and ample cooking space, making it the best choice for serious grillers. With a total of 303 square inches of cooking area, including a porcelain-enameled steel grate and a chrome-plated warming rack, this grill is perfect for larger gatherings. Despite its size, the compact design and dual handles make it surprisingly portable. What sets this grill apart is its thoughtful features. The adjustable fire grates, front charcoal access door, and dual air dampers give you precise control over temperature and airflow, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The removable ashtray makes cleanup a breeze, and the built-in thermometer allows for easy monitoring of internal temperatures. Weighing 25.4 pounds, it's heavier than some other portable grills, but the sturdy alloy steel frame ensures durability. While it's the most expensive grill on this list, the Royal Gourmet CD1519 offers exceptional value for serious grill enthusiasts. Its spacious cooking area, advanced features, and robust build make it the ideal choice for camping trips, picnics, or even backyard barbecues. If you want the best portable charcoal grill on the market, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.